Hello students. Next reaction is Mannich reaction. In this reaction, formaldehyde and secondary or tertiary amine react with carbonyl compound in presence of HCl to form beta amino carbonyl compound. इस रिएक्शन में रिएक्टेंट्स formaldehyde, secondary or tertiary amine, another one carbonyl compound and HCl, all are reactants, and formation of product is beta amino carbonyl compound. So let's see reaction. Formaldehyde HCHO plus secondary amine. This is secondary amine because nitrogen contain one hydrogen as well as two alkyl groups. That's why it is secondary amine. And another one is cyclohexanone, another carbonyl compound, and HCl is present, and formation of product is this. Carbonyl to next carbon is alpha carbon, and next carbon is beta carbon attached with NCH3CH3. So this is known as beta amino carbonyl compound is formed here. Now let us see the mechanism of the reaction. In the case of mechanism, secondary amine contains nitrogen and nitrogen having lone pair. Lone pair on nitrogen attacks on the carbonyl carbon of the formaldehyde and double bond shift to the oxygen, and formation of this type of species takes place. Now this O negative accept the hydrogen from the nitrogen, and lone pair gets again returned to the nitrogen. So this type of species is formed. CH2OH bond NCH3CH3, and after that this OH accept H positive from the HCl and formation of OH2 positive like this. Then lone pair shifted and OH2 is removed, and this type of imine is formed here and water is removed. Once again see this step. Firstly, lone pair on nitrogen attacks on the carbonyl carbon and bond is shifted. This type of species is formed. After that, O negative accepts the hydrogen and lone pair gets back to the nitrogen. After that, H is accepted by the OH and OH2 positive is formed, and water is removed and imine is formed in this step. Now next step, cyclohexanone contains oxygen contains lone pair in case of cyclohexane, and lone pair attacks on H positive and OH positive is formed, and this hydrogen is removed and formation of enol takes place here. Keto enol tautomerism, accordingly keto form se enol form is prepared here. Next step is enol. In the case of enol form, double bond attacks on the carbon of the imine and this bond is shifted to the nitrogen. This type of species is formed here, and then this H positive is removed and again keto form is formed here, and this group is attached to this. Carbonyl to next carbon is alpha carbon and next is beta carbon. Beta carbon के साथ ये unit attached है. That's why this is known as the beta amino carbonyl compound.